Thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate all of your support. And we wanted to announce our grand opening is on the 30th of this month. What is this month? September? 30th of September. We're going to do food, DJ, door prizes, drawings, the whole 9 yards for everybody who shows up to our building. I'll have the address right here on the bottom of the screen, so you'll see that there. Plus the address is on our website, www.rngperformance.net. We're gonna do lunch at noon. We're gonna cook some food. We're gonna grub, and we're gonna have some fun and do all the cool stuff. The drawings, let you guys check out the place and check out the shop that we have, the store, and let you guys just see what our facility is gonna be all about here at R.N.G. Performance. So guys, I want to thank you all for your support and everything you've done for us over this past year and a half. It's been amazing. We truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. We want to thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, comment on the videos. It truly helps. If you would, bring a friend down, share this video with all your friends and family, and let's get the views on this and gain some subscribers, and let's keep growing this popsicle stand. This journey has been amazing. You guys the longtime followers, you guys have seen all the hate we've gotten because we're part of CFMOTO community, and CFMOTO gets a lot of hate, and we keep pushing and pushing and pushing because CFMOTO isn't that junky Chinese product the haters think that it is. And if you notice, that's all we specialize in is CFMOTO. We stopped messing with other brands, working on other brands, and we've been just specializing in CFMOTO. And I must say, the community is awesome, and that's why we decided to do what we're doing and go the route that we went, because the community and the CFMOTO community is just awesome. We've met some really nice people, you know, out in the trails with CFMOTOs, and don't get me wrong, if you got a Polaris and a Can-Am and you follow me, you guys are also awesome. I truly don't care what it is you ride. It's just that my channel is directed towards CFMOTO, and I know a lot of you guys that don't have a CFMOTO actually really enjoy the CFMOTO content. We want to thank you guys for watching as well. Guys, peace out. God bless. We'll see you in the next one, but most importantly, we'll see you here on the 30th so you can enjoy some music, some food, some giveaways, and let's have fun, guys. Thank you so much. We truly appreciate you.